From what I understood, you have like 4 solutions at Zeroqode. You would have templates for website and applications. You would have the academy,
Yes.
teaching me Bubble. And then you would have your consultancy or implementation services.
That's right. We also have a converter of Bubble applications to native applications, meaning something that you can upload to App Store and Google Store. So which is an independent component on its own, because by default, the Bubble application is a web app, meaning a website that works equally well on your tablet, desktop, laptop, or a phone. But if you want to upload it to App Store and add some native stuff to it, like, I don't know, fingerprint recognition, whatever, you would need a native application for that. And we offer that too.
And what's booming now? I mean, from what you see on your sales, I mean, what people are working on?
Well, there's a lot of things, because we're working from people all over the world, and it depends on the region.
Let's pick our region.
Our region, I have no idea.
What's the region you work with then?
Mostly it's the United States and Western Europe, and a few other countries such as Canada, Australia.
Okay, so what about America then? Because things are happening way ahead of us, so, so we can anticipate.
A lot of people are excited about blockchain. They don't really know what to do with it yet. They're like, okay, blockchain, we want to do blockchain something. And but I almost want to discard it at the moment, because people don't really get why. I mean, they kind of get why, but it's not real stuff. A lot of delivery applications, a lot of telemedicine, a lot of marketplaces where in some specific niches where people are selling, let's say, art or some other stuff that is specific, again, to their particular marketplace. So people are niching down and expanding, let's say, horizontally instead of vertically.